Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Claude AI on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Claude AI on your Windows computer, first, ensure you have an active internet. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Claude AI website. If you don't have an account, look for the sign up option and create one by following the prompts. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be presented with the main interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, noting where the input box is located. To initiate a conversation with Claude AI, click on the input box. Type your question or command clearly and concisely. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit your input. Wait for Claude AI to process your request and provide a response. Review the response carefully to ensure it meets your needs. If you need further information or clarification, follow up with additional questions. Make sure to use specific keywords to enhance the quality of responses. You can also ask for different types of information, like summaries or explanations. Explore the settings or help section in the app for advanced features. Experiment with various types of inquiries to see how Claude AI responds. If you encounter any issues, check the troubleshooting section of the website. Feel free to take notes on useful responses for future reference. As you gain familiarity, you will find it easier to interact with Claude AI. Be sure to regularly check for updates to improve functionality. Enjoy your experience using Claude AI and explore its many capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.